Hi, as a client of Game On Group, I just want to say they are really go above and beyond what's expected of them. They have helped us arrange better favorable rates for shipping, push the factories to get the product out faster, but not only that, we come to them with our product idea, we say this is what we want to produce, they get us a very, very good, fast quote, but then they make suggestions as to how we can improve it, what we can tweak it, what we can do better to improve our product. And I've spoken to many other companies in China and manufacturing, and very few of them offer that service. And it's a real additional added value that they give us, aside from their friendly nature and great customer service. So we give 5 stars to Game On.